that vacation and a weekend off. He is fired up here in the number 22. Oh!
Reed launches! We got trouble! Chad Reed is down and down hard! Unbelievable for your series points lead!
Right in front of him. No hurry. He's just going to roll over. Oh!
Meet one of the 250s. Let's do it! Good stuff from Nichols. Well, talked about his corner is down!
Oh, yeah, you can see Diablo makes a mistake. Oh, right on top of him. And look at, you gotta be wise and anticipate what the driver in front of you is doing. Gets a big kick right there and just slams right into that jump.
And Webb comes in, gives him